Okay, so let's talk. Am I the only one that believes in like the standard of God? Like for everybody that believes in like a God, like a supreme deity. That's what we're gonna call it. A supreme deity. Now, what are some characteristics of this supreme deity? One is the obvious. He's all good. No, this is gonna be like a basic video. It could be like some people like have a list of what the supreme deity and his characteristics, but this is like the basics. Okay, one, he's all good. Like he's all good. Like I don't believe that a God can create evil. I feel like it's confusion. Like you cannot pick between good and evil. The fuck, and then punish the evil for doing evilly things. That's psychotic to me. That's stupid to me. Okay, the next, he's all knowing. Is that omniscient? Yeah, omniscient. He's all knowing. And then omnipotent, meaning he's all powerful. And then what is that one? Omniscient, omnipotent, all powerful. Where's that one? Where's that? Omnipresent. Yes, he's omnipresent. Yes. And y'all gonna say Christians believe in this? Yes. Yes, I believe that God is that. Anybody else agree? Because I agree. And then we're just gonna put like a disclaimer: God is love. The supreme deity is love. So, yeah.